Claudia's Fusion Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you how to do a delicious Nutella cake. It is easy to do. It has only a few ingredients and it can be a good idea for your sweet Saturday mornings. For this recipe we need the following ingredients: 5 large eggs, 120 grams of sugar, 170 grams of flour, 4 grams of baking powder, 30 grams of dark cocoa, 2 tablespoons of hot water, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the cake syrup, we need the following ingredients: 100 milliliters of strong coffee, 100 milliliters of water. Optionally, you can add 2 tablespoons of sugar. I personally do not like it that sweet, so I will not add it. And for the cream, we need heavy whipping cream. 473 milliliters is just fine. 300 grams of Nutella, 3 tablespoons of sugar. And if you want to add some cake toppings, 100 grams of frozen berries and 25 grams of sliced almonds. Also, don't forget to add some salt to your batter. We add the eggs to our mixer. And we add the sugar. And we mix them. To make the eggs fluffier, you can add 2 teaspoons of hot water. In a bowl, mix the flour, the cocoa and the baking powder. As you can see it, our eggs are almost ready. Our eggs are ready. They have to be fluffy and they triple the size. At this point, we begin to add our dry ingredients mix with the help of a sifter so that no lumps are transferred to our egg batter. Don't add all the flour at once. Do it little by little and with the help of a spatula, mix it slowly so that you don't break the air bubbles. Add the vanilla extract. And mix it one more time. In a round cake baking pan, place a piece of parchment paper on the bottom and proceed to add the batter. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and place the cake in the oven. Bake it for about 20 minutes or until it's done. We try to see if the cake is ready. And it's ready. Let it cool down and we start making the cream. We add the whipping cream to our mixer. And the 3 tablespoons of sugar. A splash of vanilla. Start mixing on medium speed and after about a minute, set it to high. Our whipping cream is ready. Now, let the fun begin. Let's decorate. With the parchment paper we used to bake the cake, you can make a smaller circle so that we can cut into it. As you can see, our cake is pretty fluffy. And we remove this part slowly. Let me set it aside. Here we have some coffee, water, and a little bit of sugar. Let's get this cake really moist. Once the cake is all moist, we can prepare the Nutella. The Nutella has to be more liquidish than normal, so you can add it 40 seconds, 30-40 seconds to the microwave. It has to have this consistency, and you just add it on top of your cake. Spread it all over the center of the cake. Because the Nutella is pretty hot right now, you just have to leave it to cool down for maybe a minute, and then we can add the cream. Our Nutella is cold and we can start adding the cream. Keep the cream in the fridge in all this period. I'm helping myself to spread the cream on the cake with a bread knife because I don't have a spatula. The cream has to go on the sides of the cake also. Keep working around your cake and trying to make it pretty. Once the cream is spread all over the cake, you can add the cake crumbs. You can make a circle with a parchment paper so that you can guide yourself. Some of the cake crumbs will go in the middle. And we add some of the cake crumbs on the side of the cake. Be sure that you stack it well to the cream. Don't forget to remove the parchment paper at the end. You don't want to eat it. Okay, so our cake has to look like this. We just do some cream flowers. We add some of our frozen berries. I always like the combination in between the sour of the frozen berries and the sweet of the chocolate. We add some of the sliced almond. We add some Nutella drops on top of each flower, and our cake is ready. Do not struggle with the Nutella, heat it up about 10 seconds. Our cake is ready. I hope you like it and I hope you'll enjoy it. Our delicious Nutella cake is ready. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and don't forget to give me a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.